Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to get a quick update on the Lexus ES300. I didn't get the chance to do a final video of it, kind of review and drive, so I'll just kind of explain it here. First of all, as you can see in the photos here, it came out really clean. Real happy with it. The paint looks awesome. Interior looks great. Drives really well. The only difference is of course the suspension. We dropped the car a little bit, so you do feel it, especially in the front, going over some bumps. Nothing severe, but you can tell there's a drop there. The wire tires make a big difference when cornering. It sticks to the road really well. Of course, it's not a performance vehicle, but it drives really well. So that being said, the car has been sold. A gentleman named Gavin came down from Austin, looked at the car, thought it was great as well, and bought it, sight unseen there. So congrats to him. Hopefully the car does him well. He enjoys it for years to come. For everyone else that's been watching my channel, thanks for joining me on this one. There is a new project coming up. It's another Lexus, so stay tuned to that. Hopefully we can do the same thing, but a little bit more of a performance go around this time. So I'm going to need help on that one. So everybody that watches my videos, please hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, just to kind of help this channel going. But I'll leave the slideshow going for now. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. And until the next one, see you then.